सरदार पब्लिक स्कूल विजापुर, इंग्लिश मीडियम, स्टैंडर्ड थर्ड, सब्जेक्ट EVS. Good morning students. Today we will see chapter number 2, the plant fairy. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter means alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Which game did the children play in the garden? Ambli Pipli, hide and seek, Antakshari, catch, dog, ball. So the answer is B, hide and seek, Antakshari. So we have to write here B. Which plant did the girls touch according to the instruction of the plant fairy? Marigold and jasmine, mehendi and neem, mehendi and grass, mango and neem. So our answer is A, marigold and jasmine. So we have to write here A. Where was Didi sitting in the garden? On a bench, on flowers, on the grass, on a tree. So the answer is C, on the grass. So we have to write here C. Number 4. Which of the following trees has the thickest trunk? Neem, mango, ashoka, banyan. D, banyan. So we have to write in this box D. Which of the following plants is not seen in the gardens? Rose, wheat, periwinkle, mehendi. So our answer is B, wheat. So we have to write B. Number 6. The twigs of which tree do we use as teeth cleaners? A, mango twigs, banyan twigs, acacia, bubble twigs, ashoka twigs. So our answer is C, acacia bubble twigs. So we have to write here C. 7. The leaves of which trees are used to make decorative garlands, torans? Neem leaves, banyan leaves, ashoka leaves, banana leaves. So our answer is C, ashoka leaves. So we have to write here C. 8. Which plant is useful as a medicine? A, basil means tulsi, bougainvillea, marigold, currant. So our answer is A, basil. So we have to write here A. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks in each sentence with an appropriate word. 1. The impression of a thing which a dash surface is easy to obtain. Answer is rough. Designs of flowers leaves is seen more on dash spread on beds. Answer is bed sheets. The tree whose leaves are small, thin and have saw-like edges is the dash neem. 4. When leaves of dash are added to tea, they give a good flavor. Mint. Plants like basil, periwinkle and brinjal are known as dash bushes. Plants like banyan, neem, mango and acacia are known as dash trees. The color of dash of a plant is green. Answer is leaves. Put a tick mark in front of the statement that are true and a cross in front of those that are false. 1. The children played Ambly Pipli in the garden. Wrong. The garden in which the children played the game of Plant Fairy had plants like neem, mehendi and jasmine. Right. The trunk of a rose plant is thick. Wrong. The leaves of a peepal tree are small, thin and have saw-like edges. Wrong. The impression of a smooth and soft trunk is easy to take. Wrong. The shape, color and age of every leaf is different. Right. The leaves of the neem are bitter to taste. Right. Question number 4. Match the columns appropriately. सो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर लीव्स दिए गए हैं, तो आपको यहाँ पर लीव्स पहचानने हैं, आइडेंटिफाई करने हैं कि ये कौन से ट्री का लीव है. तो ये लीव्स, ये जो लीफ यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं, ये वाला फर्स्ट वाला लीफ है, वो कौन से ट्री का है? तो फर्स्ट वाला ट्री है पीपल ट्री का, तो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे सी. सेकेंड लीफ इज ऑफ neem leaf, so we have to write here E. Third leaf is of banyan, so banyan का ऑप्शन है A, तो हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे A. Fourth leaf is which leaf? Ashoka, so we have to write here D. Question number 5. Look at the picture. Write the names of the things which can be seen in the pictures in the given box. यहाँ पर एक पिक्चर दिया गया है और फिर ये पिक्चर्स में जहाँ पर भी पैटर्न दिए गए हैं वो पैटर्न्स के नेम यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. जो थिंग्स यहाँ पर आप लोगों को दिख रही है वो थिंग्स के नेम यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. सो फर्स्ट इज फोटो फ्रेम, बुक, कर्टेन, बेडशीट, bolster, carpet. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में क्या दिया है? राइट द नेम्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट हैव पैटर्न्स ऑफ लीव्स एंड फ्लावर्स. कारपेट, bolster, curtains, bedsheets. Question number 7. Write the names of some of the plants and trees you have seen. Ashoka, mango, acacia, berry tree. Banyan, cassia, fistula, peepal, neem. Banana, rose, marigold, sunflower. Question number 8. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Number 1. Can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting? Answer. Yes, Didi was sitting on the grass. Question number 2. Which tree have you seen whose trunk is very thick? Answer. The banyan has a very thick trunk. Question number 3. Write the names of the leaves which you have seen. Answer is neem leaf, banyan leaf, peepal leaf, basil leaf. Question number 4. Which things can one see in the garden? Trees, flowers, creepers, benches, small plants, grass, water taps. Question number 5. Who went to the garden with Didi? Answer is Amu, Shabnam, Michael and Dayaram went to the garden with Didi. Which game did the children play after hide and seek and Antakshari? Answer. The children played the game of plant fairy after playing hide and seek and antakshari. 7. Which bush did Michael touch in the garden? Answer is Michael touched the mehendi bush in the garden. Whose leaf is very big? The banana leaf is very big. Question number 9. Name the parts of a plant. Root, shoot means trunk, leaves, flowers and fruits. Question number 10. Write the names of main types of plants. Trees, bushes, shrubs and creepers. Question number 11. In which aspects are plants different? Plants are different in their shape, height, size, leaves, fruits and flowers. Question number 12. What are roots? Answer. The part of a plant that grows underground is known as its roots. Question number 13. What is a trunk of plant? The part of a plant that grows above the ground is known as its trunk. Question number 14. What is seen on branches of trees? Smaller branches, leaves, flowers and fruits are seen on branches of trees. In how many ways are leaves different from each other? Leaves are different from each other in their shape, size, edges and outlook. Question number 16. Why are leaves known as the kitchen of plants? In the presence of sunlight, leaves prepare the nutrition necessary to the plant, so they are known as kitchen of plants. 17. What is a tree? Plants that are large in size and tall and whose trunk are thick and strong are known as trees. What is bush? Plants that are less tall and have green soft trunks are known as bushes. 19. Which animals live on trees? Monkey, squirrels and all birds are live on trees. Question number 9. Answer the following questions in brief. 1. How are leaves of various trees different from each other? Leaves of various trees are different from each other in their shape, size, edges and outlook. Some leaves are round, long or triangular. Many plants have small or big. Colors and margins are also different. Question number 2. State the uses of plant leaves. 1. As medicine. 2. For decoration. 3. As fodder for animals. 4. As fertilizer. Question number 10. Classify the following plants into trees, bushes and creepers. So स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर सारे ट्रीज, बुशेस और क्रीपर्स के मिक्स नेम दिए गए हैं, तो उसे हमें क्लासीफाई करना है. यहाँ पर जो नेम ट्रीज के है वो ट्रीज की कॉलम में लिखना है, जो बुशेस है वो उसे बुशेस की कॉलम में लिखना है और जो क्रीपर है उसे क्रीपर्स के कॉलम में लिखना है. सो लेट्स सी विच आर ट्रीज. ट्रीज में क्या लिखना है, कौन से नेम है, पीपल, तो पीपल इज ए ट्री, सो वी हैव टू राइट पीपल इन ट्रीज. Tamarind, tamarind is also tree. Rose, rose is a bush. Mogra, mogra is a bush. Bittergourd, bittergourd is a creeper. Berries, berries में berry किस में आएगा, tree में. So let's see which are trees, bushes and creepers. People, tamarind, berries, ashoka, mango, papaya, banyan, coconut palm, neem and gulmohar. These all are trees. So we have to this name in trees. Bushes, rose, mogra, basil, periwinkle, marigold and gram. These all are bushes. So we have to write these all names in bushes. Creepers, bittergourd, muskmelon, bougainvillea, sweet peas, bottlegourd, grapes, evigourd means tindola. These all are creepers. So we have to write these all names in creepers. Okay students, so we have to completed our chapter number 2 and we have to start next chapter in next video. Thank you students.